That's it, folks, we're done. It's all done on this side, everything's done, all the studs are in. So that's what it looks like when they're all in. So I can show you here. There we go, all the way up there, all in, all finished, and that bit over there as well, all done. So tomorrow the plan is, I didn't get it finished up, I thought I might get it finished today, but it was so hot I retreated for a while, had a little nap. So the plan is tomorrow is this 2 rows here, I think it's going to be 2 rows here, the studs to go in. That shouldn't take too long, there's not much going on there really, it's very simple. And then over to there, there's 2 rows to go in over there as well. And that'll be it, so basically 4 rows left tomorrow. It's a lot of work, climbing in and out the foundation, measuring each one, blah blah blah. But the result is good. You see it's all sprayed up, and there we go. It looks very complex, but it's not. It's all very simple. I will put a photo of the actual plan of this in the video somewhere along the line. But anyway, that's it for today. Turn you around. So that's it for today. Sun's going down over there, you can see, and long day. So get this done. Get the tools packed up and covered up tonight, and then a rest, and then tomorrow on with this bit here, and hopefully with a bit of luck I'll have this completely wrapped up tomorrow. I'm sort of thinking that way. It was very, very hot today, and this is directly under sun. This house faces directly south, and because of that you get the sun from morning till night, and it was a hot day today, so it's like just whew, I was getting cooked for a while there, so I had to retreat. But anyway, there's the sun going down in the evening. Beautiful, beautiful. Have a good day, see you tomorrow. Morning YouTubers. So this is working day 10 of the build of season 2, there is, and I'll turn you around and show you what I've got planned for today. The sun's up, it's a lovely day, and hopefully I'll get this flooring finished at last. Okay, so this is yesterday. That was all finished up. Well, this here is finished up, and I put the boards there now as a platform to work on, and I sprayed it again last night. And so today is, I've already moved this from this side, if you remember. Go back here. If you remember yesterday, this was all covered up, and now it's opened up, ready for the studs to go in. So what I've got to do today, there's also a bit here as well I haven't opened up yet, but I need something to walk on. So the plan is that 2 rows of studs are going to go in over there, and then 2 rows in this bit here. I think there's 2 rows, maybe 3, I'm not sure. But that also, because of the way this is built, and I'm just bouncing here, and because we've got the terrace here, we haven't got the full width like over there, so it turns out there's a smaller piece here. But that span, I would be tempted not to put any studs in there, but because this is only fixed at 2 ends, one end over there and one end over here, there is nothing to stop the boards twisting in the middle, so it has to have a row of studs in there. So unfortunately it's one of them things. So a row of studs will go in from there all the way to there. I'll put them all the way across, and then once that's finished, there's a little bit of stud in here to do where the walls are going to go. That has to go in, and then turn you around, and then on this side there's probably going to be 2 or 3 rows in there as well. So quite a bit to do today, but I'm hoping with a bit of luck I'll get it all done. So gonna get on with it. I'll put you into fast forward mode as ever.